See Friends Activity Kit. Pixelcrafter's Children's Activity Kit. See Friends Activity Kit 185 done for you children's activity pages with commercial license. This is a 3-day only exclusive offer. The price increases every few sales. Get 30 colored rewriting docx exercises. Get 8 sets of word to picture matching. Get 30 writing exercises. Get 30 colored finish the word. Get 6 sets of word puzzle. Get 8 sets of spelling name. Get 10 sets of maze game. Get 30 pages of dot to dot. Get 30 pages of dot to dot with silhouette. Get 3 different size poster with first letter. Get editable Word docs files. Letter size 8.5x 11 inch. Commercial license included. Pay once and it's yours. See Friends Activity Kit. Get 180 plus children's activity pages. Imagine publishing your very own children's activity book on Etsy, Amazon and other marketplace in a proven hot niche without creating the activity pages by yourself, without drawing the illustration. See how you can publish your own children's activity book using See Friends Activity Kit. Let's face the facts. Children's activity book for kids sell like crazy on Amazon and Etsy. In fact, publishers are making money fast on this niche. Do you want to cash in on this opportunity without wasting time and energy on product creation? Thanks to See Friends Activity Kit, now you can. Would you like to publish your own children activity book or ebook but don't know where to start? I've got a great news. My friend Joe from Pixelcrafter has just released a new pack of 149 children's activity pages called See Friends Activity Kit. With it, you can publish your own children's activity book in a proven hot niche with 180 children's activity pages. Why should you get this today? Plus, this is a 3-day only exclusive offer. Plus, the price increases every few sales. Plus, get 30 colored rewriting docx exercises. Plus, get 8 sets of word to picture matching. Plus, get 30 writing exercises. Plus, get 30 colored finish the word. Plus, get 6 sets of word puzzle. Plus, get 8 sets of spelling name. Plus, get 10 sets of maze game. Plus, get 30 pages of dot to dot. Plus, get 30 pages of dot to dot with silhouette. Plus, get 3 different size poster with first letter. Plus, get editable Word docs files. Plus, letter size 8.5x 11 inch. Plus, commercial license included. Plus, pay once and it's yours. Grab See Friends Activity Kit today while it's still available. Grab See Friends Activity Kit today while it's still available. The price is increasing every few sales. Hurry, get it now. See Friends Activity Kit, Pixelcrafter's Children's Activity Kit.